In this video, we will cover the configuration process for BuildFlow so that you can connect to the internet. On screen is a list of things that you will need to do this. Sign into BuildFlow using an admin level account. Select the Configure Printer option from the top of the screen. Select the preset that best suits your network environment. Fill in the spaces provided with your network's details. Generate the config file, then download it to your computer. Copy the config file to a USB and make sure it isn't within any folders. Make sure that you're using a good quality USB. Remove both the power cable and USB cable from the BuildFlow unit. Connect the USB drive to the BuildFlow unit. With your USB drive connected, plug in the power. Your BuildFlow may take a few minutes to appear in the printer list. If you have any trouble, please submit a support request. Thank you for watching.